Time is your most precious currency. You can't save it. You can't earn more of it. You only get to spend it. And once it's gone forever. So ask yourself, how have you spent the last year? Did you build? Did you rise? Or did you coast through, hoping, waiting, postponing the life you say you want? Let me be clear. Success does not come to the man who waits. It belongs to the man who moves, to the man who acts when others hesitate, to the man who sets fire to his comfort and builds his days like bricks toward a legacy. Because every wasted year is not just lost time, it's lost opportunity, lost growth, lost greatness. You don't need more time. You need urgency. You need the kind of relentless purpose that wakes you up early and keeps you moving long after others have quit. That kind of intensity only comes when you stop treating life like a rehearsal and start treating it like the only performance you get. So how do you do it? How do you build a life that demands your best and rewards you with greatness? It starts with purpose. Real, non-negotiable, laser-sharp purpose. Most people drift. They don't set goals, they make wishes. They don't commit, they dabble. And so year after year, they stay stuck in the same place, haunted by what could have been. But not you, not anymore. You write your purpose down. You read it daily. You speak it until it becomes your truth. And then you build systems that serve that purpose. Discipline is no longer a punishment. It becomes your protector. Your routine becomes your ritual. Your habits become holy. And when life throws chaos your way, as it will, you hold the line. Make no mistake, the path to your next level will not be easy. You will face resistance, both outside and inside. The world will test your patience. Your mind will test your discipline. Your fear will test your faith. But the man who wins is the man who refuses to quit when it gets hard, who trains himself to move even when every excuse feels justified. You will have to kill the weaker version of yourself, the one that makes excuses, the one that hits snooze, the one that waits for motivation. Kill him, bury him, and replace him with the man who decides every day, every hour, every moment. Because your success will never exceed your standards. And your standards must rise now. Surround yourself with people who reflect the future you want, not the past you've outgrown. Audit your environment like your future depends on it, because it does. You cannot grow in soil that poisons you. Build a circle that pushes you, challenges you, holds you to your word. Be around winners, or prepare to live among the lost. And don't wait for inspiration. Build it. Don't wait for opportunities. Create them. Don't wait for perfect timing. It's a lie. Take imperfect action. Take messy steps. But take something. Because movement creates clarity. Progress builds power. And action will always be the cure to fear. Master your mornings. Own your evenings. Read. Reflect. Move. Think. Plan. Execute. Daily. Relentlessly. Because how you spend your days is how you build your years. And how you build your years is how you write your legacy. You have one life, one chance, one shot at building something that outlives you. And no one is coming to do it for you. Not your parents, not your friends, not your boss. You. You are the architect. You are the engine. You are the answer. This is your wake-up call. This is your moment. Don't waste another year wishing. Start working. Don't dream about it. Build it. Brick by brick, day by day, decision by decision. Because 1 year from now, you can be the same, or you can be unrecognizable. The choice is yours. Now go make it happen. And don't ever look back. Because the version of you who delays, who doubts, who hesitates, he has no place in the future you are building. Let this moment be the point of no return. Burn the bridges that lead back to comfort. Burn the excuses. Burn the safety nets. Because the man who keeps a safety net will always fall back on it. The man who burns it learns to fly. From this day forward, you lead with commitment, not convenience. You walk with purpose, not pressure. And you build like your legacy depends on it, because it does. Every decision you make is a vote for the future you want. Every action you take either builds your dream or betrays it. There is no in between. Speak less, do more, plan sharper, move faster, think deeper, and live louder. Not in noise, but in impact. Let your energy speak before your words do. Let your discipline make the introductions. Let your life become the loudest declaration of your vision. You are no longer a man of potential. You are a man of performance. You are no longer hoping to become someone great. You are becoming him right now through every hard choice, through every early morning, through every ignored distraction. And when the world starts to take notice, when they ask how you changed, how you rose, how you built what seemed impossible, look them in the eye and say, I stopped wasting time. I got serious, I got focused, and I never looked back. Because that's what this is. The dividing line between the life you settle for and the life you were born to build. And you were born to build something legendary. You weren't designed to repeat the same year of mediocrity over and over until your time runs out. You were built for vision, for leadership, for relentless pursuit. Somewhere inside you there's a blueprint for greatness, but it will remain buried unless you choose to uncover it. And that choice, it's not made once. It's made every single day. You choose it the moment you wake up. You choose it when you're tired, when you feel alone, when progress feels invisible. You choose it when distractions pull at your focus. You choose it when no one else believes in you, because you believe in yourself. And that's the difference between the average man and the legendary one. The average man waits for permission. The legend gives it to himself. The average man needs applause. The legend needs conviction. You want to build something unforgettable? Then let go of who you were. That version of you who procrastinated, who doubted, who feared judgment, he's gone. Left behind with the excuses, the hesitation, the old story. From this moment on, you don't wear that skin. You walk differently, you speak differently, you demand more. Because now you expect more from yourself. This isn't about arrogance. It's about ownership. Ownership of your time, your energy, your potential. Ownership of every thought you allow, every habit you repeat, every boundary you set. You are the CEO of your destiny. And the job description? Simple. Show up, get better, lead yourself first so you can lead others. You don't need the world to believe in you right now. What you need is action, proof, momentum. Let your results speak the language no doubter can argue with, because results don't lie, and neither does discipline. Start small. Show up every day like you're already the person you want to become. If that future version of you reads every day, then read today. If he trains his body, train today. If he speaks with clarity and courage, practice today. Don't wait to become him. Be him now. Your mind doesn't know the difference between who you are and who you pretend to be, so pretend wisely until pretending becomes reality. And when you fall off because you will, don't spiral, don't retreat, don't rewrite the old story, just stand up, recenter, recommit. Falling is not the end, staying down is. Remember, every legend was once unseen. The greats were not born with spotlight and stage, they were made in silence, in the early mornings, in the late nights, in the invisible work done when no one clapped, when no one noticed, when no one cared, yet they kept going. And that's the path you're on. This isn't just about goals, it's about identity. And identity is built in repetition. Repeated action, repeated belief, repeated refusal to quit. You don't rise by accident. You rise because your desire became louder than your excuses. You rise because you finally got tired of starting over, tired of watching others live the life you know is meant for you, tired of being the one who says maybe someday, because someday isn't coming. There is no perfect time. There is only now. And now is your chance to change everything. You want legacy? It begins in this hour. You want to be the one who broke the cycle? It starts with this decision. You want to look back and say, that was the year everything changed? Then make it this one. The clock is running, so write the page, make the call, hit the workout, read the chapter, fix the diet, start the business, cut the excuses, build the mindset, choose the circle, design the future. Because the truth is, nobody's coming to rescue you. Not a mentor, not a miracle, not some magical break. It's on you. And that's the best news. Because if it's on you, then that means you're already holding the keys. So stop waiting. Decide. Decide that today is your ground zero. That this is the first day of your future. That from here on out, everything changes. Not because life got easier, but because you got stronger. Not because someone gave you permission, but because you finally gave it to yourself. Let this be your new declaration. I will not waste another year. I will not die with my potential still inside me. I will not let fear, doubt, or mediocrity decide my fate. I am the author now. And the story I write from this day forward will be nothing short of legendary.